मैं कहाँ गई? Hi guys! Welcome back to the channel Pretty Little Things. I'm Shaurya. You remembered? You didn't say Akriti. I'm Akriti. I'm Shaurya. And Shaurya, what are we doing today? So we all love curling our hair, but we don't know the correct ways to do so. So today we're going to talk about how to get your curls right. So if you've noticed my hair type, my hair is very limp and does not have a lot of volume. So whenever I have to style my hair for an event or something, I don't feel like straightening it because it just weighs it down even more. So what I feel like doing is curling it the right way. You used to do something in college. What was that? So in college, I had no idea what to do with my hair. So what I picked up on my own was I used to wash my hair at night. And then I would dry up my hair 80%, and when they were a little wet, just a little, I would tie them up in a bun like this. And put a rubber band around very neatly. So then I would just go off to bed like this. Instant top bun. Yeah, then I would just sleep like this. And then I'm gonna wake up in the morning, my hair are gonna be almost dry, and then I'll open up my hair and I'll get like really pretty curls, like very messy pretty curls. See, this is like a hit and trial method, so sometimes depending on what sort of haircut do you have. When I used to have a lot of layers, I used to get a lot of curls. When my hair started growing longer, I just got very weird, messy, random curls. So the thing about these curls is that they don't stay for long. So immediately if you wake up and you have to go somewhere, then you have these curls for a little while and then they just start fading away eventually. So Shaurya, did you ever try anything? Yes, I did. I used to try these rollers. I used to curl my hair, like semi-wet hair with it. But the weirdest thing about this is that I had to wait for ages. Yeah, you have to sit with them for too long like that. I swear, and especially when you have to go to college or work or anything of that sort, you cannot sit like this for hours. I'm not kidding. And do these curls stay? No, they didn't stay, especially on my hair, they didn't stay. After like an hour or so, or if I'm out in the sun and if I'm like sweating a little, it would just go. So my hours of mehnat, yeah, it's gonna fade away. So yeah. Basically, these things which we tried are very short term, and immediately we want to do it, just go ahead and go to whatever place you're going, and eventually they're gonna open up. What else can we do? So the other thing that we could do is use a heating tool with the correct equipment and the correct spray and also a heat resisting serum. So for curls that you would want to stay for long for events or special occasions, then let us introduce you to this professional curling kit that we both came across, and which is the Roots Glam Curl Pro. So this is like a full professional set by Roots, and it has got different sort of wands inside to curl your hair. So no matter what sort of hair you have and what sort of curls do you want, it's gonna have something for you. And you can get like big curls, small curls, tiny curls, and you know, tiny baby hair or whatever you want. Everything can be done by this set. So this is how it looks like. So these are all the different sort of wands which come with this. And it also comes with a glove because it's always easy to put this on, which is heat resistant, and you can just hold the wand and curl your hair, because normally we end up burning ourselves alive. So before using any heating tool, you should make sure that you should apply a good heat resistant serum or oil, and currently we're using this one by Roots. This is a Roots Professional Morocco Vita oil, which has argan oil and Moroccan oil, which is very rich in vitamin A and E and protects you from the heating tools that you use. All you have to do is, after washing your hair, just dry your hair with a towel and take 2-3 drops of this oil on your palm, rub it in your palm, and then put it all over your hair, and you just leave it in like a leave-on conditioner. And also we got a very professional comb kit from Roots itself, which would help us curl our hair better. and two very cute hair brushes. Mine is the one with the leopard print on it, and mine is the one with the floral print on it. So let's try out this product on Shaura's hair as usual. So what do you want to do? I feel like getting loose, very nice wavy curls. Okay, so she wants like really big curls, and for that, what do you think we should use from this? So I think either one of these. Since you want big curls, I think we should go ahead with this one. So this is what the set looks like, and this is the main body on which all the wands are attached, and you have these different sets of wands, each for different set of curls. So all you have to do is attach this wand to this body and make sure it's locked perfectly. So there you go, it's fixed nicely, and then we can turn it on. So you turn it on from here. This is an LCD screen where you can see the temperature, so you can increase or decrease the temperature. Done! How does it look? I really like them. They look very pretty. Thanks, man. This is a really nice set, man. I'm so excited to try it on my hair now. See, you got nice curls. I can't see. I'm andha. You wanna go close it and see? Yeah, I will. Come. Oh, now I can see it's nice. Sorry, yeah, I'm a little andha, but yeah. I really liked how my hair turned out. It took a little time though, but if you get results like this and it stays for long, then why not? I feel all glammed up. So let's just go through all the other ones and see what all you can use these for. We used this one to give big waves to Shaura's hair. And this is another one which is a little smaller. This also gives you smaller waves. What else do we have? So then we have this one which would give you very tight small curls. This one here has a conical tip and would give you nice spiral hairstyle. The last one here has a conical tip as well, but this one is a little smaller, so it would give you tight springy hair. So this was a little glammed up look. If you want a more subtle look, what you could do is only take the same wand and curl the ends of your hair. It will give a very nice effect. And what else? I think you can tie a nice ponytail, a nice high ponytail with a little puff, and just curl little bit of your hair. That also gives a very subtle everyday look. So I'm sure we're missing out a lot of ways that we could curl our hair, and we're open to suggestions. Please tell us what different ways we could use to curl our hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching us, and please yaar subscribe bhi kar diya karo. थोड़े से likes भी बढ़ा दो please. थोड़े से please. Chalo, please don't forget to like and subscribe too. Silly little thing. Bye guys.